this episode, we'll enjoy a delicious slice of pie from Dough Pizza while cooling off at the splash pad at Hemisfair Park.
Welcome to Hemisfair Park, where you can either splash around and cool off or climb some pretty crazy play structures. This park is really awesome because there's plenty of shady spaces that parents can sit and hang out while keeping an eye on their kids. The splash pad area is my absolute favorite. There's lots of lawn chairs and umbrellas for public use, and as far as I can tell, all are first come, first serve. Surrounding the park, there are a couple of food, treat, and drink options worth mentioning, including a coffee shop and ice cream parlor. Today we went with some pizza from Dough, a little establishment located at the far corner of the park. We went with a classic pepperoni and margarita pizza, and man, that was killer. The crust was perfection and the flavor of the sauce and toppings blended together so well. It would make any Ninja Turtle say cowabunga. Overall, this is easily one of my favorite parks of downtown San Antonio. It's charming and has a little something for people of any age.